Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening MIT App Inventor and creating a new project. Sign in and name it Calculator. Next, drag a text box for input and a label for results, then place numeric and operator buttons. Make sure to set the text box property to accept numbers or decimals depending on your planned behavior. Once done, group buttons in a horizontal arrangement for each row so layout stays consistent. You're minimizing later adjustments by choosing component names now, e.g., btn0, btn plus, txt input, lbl result. You now build the logic in blocks. Create variables: current value as text, stored value as number, pending operator as text. For each digit button, append the digit to current value and update the text box. Make sure to prevent multiple decimal points. When an operator button is pressed, convert current value to a number, store it in stored value, save the operator to pending operator, then clear current value for the next entry. Use simple procedures for repeated logic, so you avoid duplicating blocks and reduce bugs. You finish by creating the equals handler. Convert the current input to a number, run a conditional checking pending operator for add, subtract, multiply, or divide, compute result, then display it in the label and set current value to the result. Add clear to reset variables and backspace to remove the last character. If something goes wrong, check variable types and conversion points first. A common issue is treating text as number. Make sure to handle divide by 0 with a user-friendly message, so the app doesn't crash.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.